What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about fishing rails and docks. And a lot of people fish handrails next to dams and stuff. It's kind of a hard place to put your rod that it don't blow from the wind, or it gets blowed over, and maybe it hits concrete, breaks an eye off, and that can get really frustrating. Alright, today we're going to talk about a little hack for under $3 that you can prop your rod up that keeps it stable and it won't move. It's really, really easy to build. But let me get this rod back here off of this. It's on a round tube on this treadmill, and I'll show you what I done. Now, first thing you're going to need, you're going to have to go to Walmart, and depending on how many rods that you have, you're going to have to get these Hyper Tough grips. And these things are pretty strong. I mean, if you're going to put them on a rail, they got a good spring in them. But next thing you're going to need is go to Harbor Freight. And I looked it up. You can get these tool hangers for $1.79. Now, 99 cents, $1.79, that's less than $3. $3 a rod holder. These will keep your rod stable if you grip it on a rail or a board or a metal handrail. When you get these things, you're going to have to drill out a hole in the handle. Now, don't drill this hole out too big, because this is going to have to screw in this hole really snug. And that is a cheap and durable rod prop for, like I said, metal rails or handrails, or maybe they have rails on a dock that you want to fish, and all you got to do is just grip it around that rail like that and let it go, and then you can prop your rod up. The wind ain't going to move it. It ain't going to blow it and damage your rod when it hits the ground. I mean, who's not going to protect a rod for less than $3? And that could keep you from missing a fish or seeing a hit that you don't see. I hope this hack helps you see your bites. Maybe keep your rod from getting damaged when it gets blowed over. Well, this was a video. There was a hack in the video, so I guess this is a hack to fish video. Take a quote from Catfish Dave and kind of turn it around. But I hope this information helps you next time you go fishing. If you want to prop your rod up. Till again, this is Hack to Fish, and I'm out.